Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have bullish. Okay, bullish engulfing and weekly closing above the EMI. So this is your down move. This could be just a pullback. Okay, so let's get back to daily chart. We're still rejection from the EMI stood under none. Now remember when we were on which candle? Maybe this candle on 6th. No, maybe somewhere here. Okay, so I don't remember actually. Monday, this candle. Okay, Sunday, this one. So this 7th of November, I think on this candle I said that we will touch the EMI. That did not happen in next 2 weeks, but that eventually happened on this candle on Thursday. Okay, so what I say, that will happen. It's just that sometimes it might not happen within a week. It might take time. Okay, because when this down move happened, the price was exhausted. We had no option other than touching the EMI. We touched the EMI on 27th of November. So if you were patient, if you waited, let's say 16 days, okay, if you waited 15, 16 days, then you touch the EMI. That is how trading works. It will give you panic attack. Okay, so if I tell you on this candle that we're going to touch the EMI, your panic attack was this move. Okay, so this move was your panic attack, and then this is your bounce. Okay, so remember, trading is not for everybody who is not trusting their analysis and blah blah blah. Okay, so you have to understand how much to risk and everything, because eventually the price will get there, but are you using the correct lot size that your account can survive? So if your account survived this move, if you were long in GBPUSD and you could survive this move, then you made profits. Okay, know your numbers, know your lot size. So this move is done. Now we have to wait. Either we will cross above the EMA or we'll just continue the downtrend. We'll have to see. Okay, it's coming back to 4 hour for that. 4 hour, I think we have to go long. Okay, so let the price touch the EMI like this one here. So because I think, yeah, we have to look for longs only. Do you have this bullish breakout in weekly, and in daily we have kind of okay, buyers came and defended, but we also have rejections. So both possibilities are there. Pullback could happen. Okay, so I see this as a uptrend, a new uptrend. Okay, so this is your new uptrend. Pullback could happen. Okay, so we have to wait for the pullback might happen, then we go up. Okay, so come back to 4 hour again here. Not going longs until the rejection comes from the EMI. So price will reject the EMI, then blue candle, then only we go long. That's it. Subscribe, like if that's not too much.